Hi everyone! Today it's Fajitas day. It's exciting because it's one of my husband's favorite meals, so he can't wait to taste this. I made it with guacamole and Pico de Gallo. I already posted recipes of these two on my channel, so I'll link it in the description box. You can check it there. And without further ado, let me show you how I made these Mexican delicious fajitas. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy! So put olive oil in the pan, put all the veggies in at the same time, add the chicken, one teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, chipotle chili, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, add the tomatoes, squeeze the lime juice in, add 1 teaspoon of sugar, and at the end just mix in the coriander.